how y'all doing? Just got back to the house from work. Decided to walk down to the pond and test out this Livingston Lures bait I got in my mystery tackle box. The color is money gill, so we'll see if it's money.
Danica's the big one, Apple's the baby, right? No. Well, Apple's the bigger.
We got one. We got one.
Oh God. I'll go. I said. We got the fish. We got the fish. Can I touch it? No, no, touch it.
There we go. I guess that Livingston Lures money color is money. There we go. There's another one. One bad fisherman. At least I can catch him. Maybe small.
Can I hold it? No.
Do you want to hold him?
Yeah.
Do you want to touch him?
Yeah, I know. I'm kind of
Look,
scared.
he ain't gonna hurt you.
Don't be scared.
Pet him just like a cat.
He's slimy and scaly. Pet him, Danica, or Cheyenne.
Give him a kiss. All right, there we go. Let's get him back in the water. All right. Look at him go.
Let's pick some new ones.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I don't want to fall in. So I'm stay away from the
And that big old monster was caught on this Livingston Lures. Little money gill is the color. And that's probably about the 10th cast maybe. It's got a little rattle in it. I guess it's money so far. Let's see if we can't catch some more. All right, bear with me for a minute. We're gonna go over and try a little bit different spot over here. It's about 20 feet down from where we were before. What I really need to do is get a little John boat or a bass raider or something that floats. Trash can, whatever that floats. That can get me out there. I don't know if you guys can see it. You probably can't. Here, let's walk over my neighbor's yard for a minute. But can you see all that right there? I can't get to it because I don't want to be walking on my neighbor's shoreline and, you know, doing all that mess, be that guy. They look out their window wondering, what is that joker doing? Exactly. So, it is tax season, you know. Maybe I'll have to work on something. Yes, that just happened. I caught the microphone. Well, it was a good day. We caught one. One's better than none, so that's always a good thing. But we got to get out a little bit, got to decompress, got to have a little bit of fun. Girls were out here, they got to, you know, see the fish, touch the fish. They're still getting used to the whole fishing thing. But I appreciate you watching. Just be sure to like the video if you like it. If you don't like it, you know, tell me what I can do different down in the comments below. And if you want to catch some future videos, feel free to subscribe. It'd be greatly appreciated. But in closing, just remember to, you know, go out, have a good time, catch some fish. But more importantly, let's make some memories. Thanks for watching.